The Great Wall, 万里长城。
Long, long ago, the northern borders of China were often disturbed and invaded by nomadic tribes.
很久很久以前，中国北方的边境经常受到游牧民族的骚扰与入侵。
Long, long ago, the northern borders of China were often disturbed and invaded by nomadic tribes. To protect their farms, cities, and people, different states began building defensive walls.
为了保护农田、城市与人民，各个诸侯国开始修筑防御用的城墙。
To protect their farms, cities, and people, different states began building defensive walls. These early walls can be traced back to the Spring and Autumn and Warring States periods.
这些早期的城墙最早可以追溯到春秋战国时期。
These early walls can be traced back to the Spring and Autumn and Warring States periods. Later, Qin Shi Huang achieved the first great unification in Chinese history.
后来，秦始皇完成了中国历史上第一次的大一统。
Later, Qin Shi Huang achieved the first great unification in Chinese history. To strengthen border defense, he ordered the scattered walls to be connected and extended.
为了加强边境防御，他下令将各地分散的城墙连接与延伸。
To strengthen border defense, he ordered the scattered walls to be connected and extended. This massive project became the earliest form of what we now call the Great Wall.
这项庞大的工程成为万里长城最早的雏形。
This massive project became the earliest form of what we now call the Great Wall. Tens of thousands of soldiers, workers, and civilians were recruited to join the construction.
成千上万的士兵、工人与百姓被征召参与修建工程。
Tens of thousands of soldiers, workers, and civilians were recruited to join the construction. Without modern machines, the construction process was extremely difficult and dangerous.
在没有现代机械的年代，施工过程极为艰辛与危险。
Without modern machines, the construction process was extremely difficult and dangerous. Some sections had to be built along steep mountains and sharp ridgelines.
有些城墙必须建在陡峭的高山与险峻的山脊之上。
Some sections had to be built along steep mountains and sharp ridgelines. Many other sections were located in dry, hot deserts with very limited resources.
也有许多路段位于干燥炎热、资源匮乏的沙漠地区。
Many other sections were located in dry, hot deserts with very limited resources. Workers had to carry massive stones and compacted earth by sheer human labor.
工人们需要人力搬运巨大的石块与压实的夯土。
Workers had to carry massive stones and compacted earth by sheer human labor. During the long years of construction, many people died from exhaustion, illness, or accidents.
在漫长的建造岁月中，许多人因劳累、疾病或意外而丧生。
During the long years of construction, many people died from exhaustion, illness, or accidents. Beacon towers and watch posts were built densely along the wall.
长城上设置了密集的烽火台与瞭望设施。
Beacon towers and watch posts were built densely along the wall. These structures allowed rapid transmission of military signals when enemies approached.
这些设施可以在敌军出现时迅速传递军情与警报。
These structures allowed rapid transmission of military signals when enemies approached. By smoke in the day and fire at night, messages could travel hundreds of kilometers quickly.
白天燃起浓烟，夜晚点起火光，讯息能在短时间内传递数百公里。
By smoke in the day and fire at night, messages could travel hundreds of kilometers quickly. Later dynasties, including the Han and Ming, continued to expand and reinforce the wall.
之后的汉朝与明朝也持续修筑并强化长城防线。
Later dynasties, including the Han and Ming, continued to expand and reinforce the wall. The best preserved sections we see today were mostly built during the Ming dynasty.
目前保存最完整、最常见到的，多半是明朝时期所修建的长城。
The best preserved sections we see today were mostly built during the Ming dynasty. When all sections are counted, the Great Wall stretches over 10,000 kilometers across vast terrain.
整体长度加总后，万里长城超过1万公里，横跨广大的地形。
When all sections are counted, the Great Wall stretches over 10,000 kilometers across vast terrain. Today, it is not only a key historical heritage of China but also a globally recognized cultural symbol.
如今，它不仅是中国的重要历史遗产，也是世界知名的文化象征。
Today, it is not only a key historical heritage of China, but also a globally recognized cultural symbol. The Great Wall stands as a testament to human perseverance, organization, and collective effort under harsh conditions.
万里长城见证了人类在困难环境中展现的毅力、组织与合作精神。
The Great Wall stands as a testament to human perseverance, organization, and collective effort under harsh conditions.